Hey guys, Brett the Ford guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to get your driver's side door code entry off of your 2017 to 2022 Ford F-250, 350, and 450. And it's going to work for any of those model years. I haven't tried it on a 23 to 25, might work for those model years as well. Now this is the 2-key method. If you have both of your factory keys, this should work. I have found this method is hit or miss. It did not work on my truck, and it just did not work in an intelligent access or the push button start truck that I just tried. But it has worked in this truck, so I will show you how that works. If you only have one key and this method doesn't work for you, I have a method that works every time. That's in the upper right hand part of the screen, so check it out there. So the first thing you want to do is grab both your truck, make sure you got your coffee in case you get thirsty or tired. You're going to want to take this plastic piece out, and then you're going to want to take this little rubber piece out. You're going to want to put one of your keys in here, and then you're going to want to take your second key, if this is the flipper key, or if you have the flipper key. Now turn it to the ignition mode. You're going to want to wait till the Ford Tough animation is gone. Turn it off and do this very fast. Swap these keys out as quick as you can, and then flip this one back up. Turn your ignition back on. And there is your factory keypad code. That is your factory door code that will work every time with this truck. You can never erase it, but if you want to program your own door code, you can do that, and that video is in the description below as well. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Remember to like and subscribe, getting closer to 1,000 subscribers each and every day, and once we do that, we can do a lot more fun things on this channel. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, that's in the upper left-hand part of the screen. A link to how to program your own door code in the upper right. A link, if this method didn't work for you, to the video on how to get your door code for your 17 to 22 Super Duty the old-fashioned way. That's in the lower left-hand part of the screen, and a link to one of my latest YouTube videos in the lower right. Click those, check us out. And thank you so much for checking out the video, and have a great day.